G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got a quick unboxing for you. This time it's the 2024 12th generation Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. Let's do it. So something that I don't really talk about too much on my channel, and probably I should start doing more of it, is the fact that I actually run another business, which is I make children's picture books. So I make picture books for people all over the world. And we do a lot with Kindle books, as you would expect, print books, but also Kindle books. And so there's been a lot of conversation that I've been hearing through authors and readers about when's the next Kindle coming out? Have they stopped doing the Kindles? Are there going to be any more Kindles? Now I believe the last Paperwhite came out in 2021, so 3 years between generations. That's pretty major for this kind of tech, which tends to be pretty iterative and just pop up once a year just to try and tease you into grabbing another one. Now I'm going to do a full review of this and we'll find out whether or not it is indeed a tease, whether you need to upgrade, or if you haven't got one already, whether this is the entry point for you. Now this is the Signature Edition, so there is a standard edition which comes in black, and it is $299 here in Australia. But for an extra 30 bucks, you can pick up the Signature Edition, which I've got here, which comes in black. I think you can get it in black, but it also comes in Metallic Jade. So we're about to find out what that looks like. Kind of Ninja Turtle. It's not a word, I don't know why I'm trying to say it. Yeah, but it also comes with an extra 16 gigabytes of space on board. So for an extra 30 bucks to basically double the size of the storage, especially if you're someone who's going to do a lot of side loading, that's seems like worthwhile to me. All right, so let's have a look inside. So judging by what I can see on the outside here, they've gone for sustainable approach with their packaging. This is all the kind of cardboard we're seeing a lot at the moment, which is all recycled. So we've got a little strip at the back here. Get that open. Obviously not expecting too much from this, being that it's the world's most in-depth piece of technology. All right, there's that. Before we look into there, let's have a look what we've got here. Signature Edition, very simple, just the one basically open. I prefer that. I don't think nowadays we need to be doing huge thick bits of paper when we all have access to devices in our pockets. In fact, this has got a browser on it. The Kindle browsers have always been pretty average. We'll see how this one goes. Yep, this is how you charge it. There's a dock, which I don't have. There's obviously cases, which I don't have. But there's plenty of accessories that did pop up when I purchased this. Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. There's that paper thing I was talking about. It's all the crazy languages and warranty information that no one ever reads. And we've got one USB-C. So, no, oh, interesting. A to C. In 2024. I can't remember the last time I even opened a product that had A to C. That's, okay. Oh, so be it. I don't even know if I've got any blocks left for this. Surely I do somewhere. That's, okay. Very surprising and further frustrating because none of these products come with the actual thing anymore. All right, but how long have we got a cable here? A meter maybe, not even, maybe a meter. Pretty short. It's not too bad, I guess. It's not great. All right, let's have a look at this thing. Okay, so a big reveal. Now we have Kindle Paperwhite 2024 edition. Pretty wide. Just get my fingers around it, and I've got some decent sized hands. It's almost too wide to hold in one hand. There you go. But you don't really have to. You can just hold it like that. So obviously going to dive into a full review. So some of the big feature, well, the biggest feature that they're touting with this is that it's going to be a lot quicker to flick between pages. I'll be interested to see how that goes because it's usually e-ink, which seems to be the problem, which is the tech that's kind of displaying it all. So we'll see how that goes. Also a bit brighter backlight as well. and battery life, which I'm told is up to 12 weeks with this. There's another difference between the standard version, which is 6 weeks, I believe, and for an extra $30 you get double the amount of battery life. I doubt you'll ever get 12 weeks if you're reading constantly, but either way, relatively, you're gonna get double the battery time. So anyway, that's it for the unboxing. What do you think of the green? I like it. Too many things are black in the technology world. They haven't done much about the bezel. All right, more coming soon. Stay tuned for a review. I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Check out my other videos. Till next time, check you later.